All right, guys, this is Mr. Wealth, Victor Ashley, Azubike. Let me quickly just do this video on how to, or perhaps what is futures trading and understanding what leverage or margin is about, okay? I will be very, very fast, very, very short and straight to the point, just for you to understand the basics, okay? Now, I'm sure you verified your Binance account and you are conversant with the Binance interface now, the market, the trades, the futures and wallet and other things, okay? So now, this is my Binance wallet. So what is futures trading and how is it different from spot trading? One major element of, or let me just put it this way, futures trading is a type of trading that gives you enough leverage, okay? Enough leverage, which means you can have, let's say, $10 and you can maybe use 50 leverage to trade. And by this, it is increasing your equity, your trading fund, which means that you can easily make fast money or even lose your money fast. So futures trading is a should I say a high or highly risky trade, as well as a highly profitable trade. Okay, it is not a gamble. You must know what you are doing. You must know what you are doing. If you don't know what you are doing, then follow somebody who knows what he or she is doing so you can benefit maximally. I think I have just 4 trades here. You can see they are in green already. Okay. Then if I decide to close all the trades already, I've made good money for myself within a couple of minutes. But it is not always like this. Sometimes you will see red, which means minus. Maybe the trade is not going well the way you planned. Okay? But be that as it may, futures trading is very, very profitable. At the same time, it is very, very risky. Okay? Very profitable, very risky. Okay? Very profitable, very risky. So you need to be matured emotionally to do it. You need to have sound technical knowledge, technical analysis knowledge. If you don't have it, then you need to depend on somebody who has that knowledge to put or guide you through the way I'll be guiding and putting you guys through. Okay. At the same time, one major difference between spot trade and futures trade. Right now, I'm in the market section. Okay, you can see spot right now. You can see futures. Okay, so on the spot trade, let me just open one particular trade, Binance BTC BUSD. Let's say I want to buy. You can see you only have buy, sell, limits, or market, stop limit, OCO. Okay, we'll only have these features here. Okay, but in futures trade, I'm already on this trade. Let me just use another trade. In futures trade, we will have, let's say I click on buy, we'll have, can you see cross? You see cross isolated. So the cross margin and isolated margin, they are margin modes. The cross means that if, let's assume you have $10 and you enter a trade with $1 and you select cross margin, it means the trade you entered will be secured or protected by your total capital, your total equity, which is $10. Okay, which means before you can be liquidated, it is until the trade has eaten up all your equity. This is risky and this is also good. I use it very well to trade. Okay. The second one is isolated margin. This isolated margin is, let's assume you have $10, you enter a trade with $1, okay? that trade that you entered with $1, you can be liquidated, which means you can lose the $1 immediately. The trade gets to 100%, minus 100%. You've lost your $1, which means you still have $90. Okay, but in most cases, if you are not using stop loss, okay, that is when this happens. So we'll do the practicals when we want to trade. When we are doing a practical trade, I will show you how we make use of this margin modes. We also have leverage. Just above, just below the ZEAL USDT, you can see cross there. You can see 20x. I click on the 20x, this will come up. So this is leverage. We have 1 to 125, but in this particular trade they gave me 1 to 50. In some trades, let me check BTC. In some trades, I can get up to 125. You see it's 125, but I'm using 89 leverage to trade this Bitcoin. Look at it here, cross 89. Okay, as you can see, while I was doing this video, it was 50 something percent, right? But now it's going down. Now it's 40 something percent. Can you see? But it can still go up. That is like this one now. I think it was maybe close to 10%. Now it is 1%. Now it's even, it might get to minus something now, right? But when you know what you are doing, now it is minus. You can see. When you know what you are doing, you will be so confident about your strategy and in your strategy and in your trades. Okay, in your strategy and in your trade, when you know what you are doing. Okay, so because of my schedule, Samuel, the fine gentleman, has told me he would want to help me to do the recordings of some of these videos, and I've given him approval. So I'm deciding to do this first one, so other videos can come up. So hopefully today, tomorrow, more videos will come up, so that we can get started this week. At least before this, perhaps in the next couple of days, we should have entered our first trade, second trade, and hopefully we will make profit from that. So I remain Mr. Wealth. If you are yet to join our Telegram channel, where we'll be releasing signals for you to trade, you can do that right now. I think the link will be in the description, under the description, or in the description of this particular video. So you can click on it and join wherever you are in the world. See you in the channel, and get ready for the next video.